Hello everyone, welcome to our video on the role of user experience, UX, in SEO. In today's digital landscape, understanding the connection between user experience and search engine optimization is crucial for any business or individual looking to boost their online presence. UX plays a significant role in SEO by shaping how users interact with your website, which in turn affects how search engines rank your site. In this video, we'll explore the essential concepts and strategies for integrating UX into your SEO efforts. What is user experience, UX? User experience, UX, refers to an individual's impressions and emotions when using a particular product or service, such as a website or mobile app. It includes the practical, experiential, affective, meaningful, and valuable aspects of both human-computer interaction and the end-user's interaction with a company and its services or products. Good UX leads to satisfied customers who are likely to return and recommend the business to others, while poor UX can frustrate customers, leading them to abandon the product or service altogether. Why is UX important for SEO? UX is important for SEO because it influences how search engines rank your website. When users find a website easy to navigate and engaging, they tend to stay longer, which reduces bounce rates and signals to search engines that the site offers value. Websites with better UX strategies are likely to rank higher in search results. How UX affects SEO? 1. User engagement drives search rankings. User engagement metrics like dwell time and bounce rate are crucial for SEO. When users spend more time on your site and explore multiple pages, it signals to search engines that your content is relevant and valuable. 2. UX enhances SEO performance. Optimizing UX benefits various types of SEO, including technical, on-page, and mobile SEO. By focusing on elements like page speed, navigation, and mobile usability, businesses can make their sites more accessible to both search engines and users. 3. Long-term SEO benefits. A positive user experience builds trust and encourages repeat visits, increasing the likelihood of content sharing and brand loyalty. These actions contribute to long-term SEO benefits by generating more organic traffic and reinforcing the site's authority. Key UX factors that impact SEO. UX factor description impact on SEO. Page speed ensures pages load quickly. Improves user experience and search rankings. Mobile compatibility ensures a responsive design for mobile devices. Essential for mobile-first indexing and better rankings. Content readability makes content easy to read and understand. Enhances user engagement and content relevance. Navigation and usability ensures intuitive navigation and accessibility. Improves user interaction and reduces bounce rates. Responsive design adapts to different screen sizes and devices. Crucial for mobile usability and search engine rankings. Example: optimizing UX for SEO. Let's say you're running an e-commerce website. Here's how you can apply these UX strategies to improve SEO. Page speed. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to identify areas for improvement and optimize images, minify files, and leverage caching to speed up your site. Mobile compatibility. Ensure your site is responsive and works well on mobile devices to improve user experience and search rankings. Content readability. Use clear headings, concise paragraphs, and bullet points to make your content easy to read and understand. Navigation and usability. Implement intuitive navigation and ensure all elements are accessible to enhance user interaction and reduce bounce rates. Tools and resources for UX and SEO. Google Page Speed Insights, essential for optimizing page speed and improving user experience. SEMrush offers tools for auditing UX and SEO performance, providing insights into user engagement metrics. Ahrefs helps analyze backlinks and content relevance, which are influenced by UX. Hotjar, useful for understanding user behavior through heat maps and session recordings. Measuring success in UX and SEO. To measure the success of your UX and SEO efforts, track metrics such as organic traffic, the number of visitors coming from search engines, keyword rankings, how high your pages rank for specific keywords, conversion rates, the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, dwell time and bounce rate, key user engagement metrics that influence search rankings. Conclusion: user experience plays a pivotal role in SEO by enhancing user engagement, improving search rankings, and driving long-term SEO benefits. By integrating UX principles into your SEO strategy, you can create a seamless user journey that captivates both search engines and users, ultimately boosting your online presence. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the role of UX in SEO. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on digital marketing and SEO. We regularly post new videos to help you improve your online skills and stay updated with the latest trends in the digital world. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest videos.